Welcome to MFA. I'm Coach Jan, the former team captain and coach of the U.S. Tai Chi push hands team, which is the grappling side of Tai Chi, and it allows you to take pressure and move it with extreme balance through your body, through space. And one of the things that helps you get there are Tai Chi forms. Many Tai Chi forms are like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes long, etc. This one is 30 seconds, and it's called the Tai Chi Poem, and it's something so fun. Kids learn it in China. You can share it with your kids, your friends, your family, and I love sharing this as much as I possibly can, so let's do it together. You have a big watermelon. You cut it in half. You give half to her, but she doesn't want any, so you give half to him. But he doesn't want any, so eat it all by yourself. Yum, 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 yum. And that's it. That's the whole thing. And you can also do it in the other direction too, so we'll do that. You have a big watermelon. You cut it in half. You give half to him, but he doesn't want any, so you give half to her, but she doesn't want any. So, eat it all by yourself. Yum, 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 yum. Now, it's important to note here that you can change the fruits. Use any fruit you want. So, but the real point here with the experience is that it's breath work and visualization foundationally, and you're moving that with choreography. And so now we're going to get a little bit more technical. We're going to focus on the breath work, and then we're going to get more into the structure. So, we're going to inhale up and we're going to go onto our toes. Then we're going to exhale. We're going to inhale and spin the fingers. One hand reaching to the other, but it just can't quite get there. And we exhale and uncoil the body. The hands chop out. This is called 7-star or playing guitar. We're going to inhale deep. Fingers on the top of the forehead, and then turn the palms and exhale as we step 45 degrees. Inhaling, bring the hands and feet back in, stepping 45 degrees the other direction, exhaling out. Inhale, drawing in, hands and feet come in, turning the palms down and exhale like you're placing the fruit down on the table, and inhale, spinning the thumbs out. Opening the hands and chest up and exhaling down, 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 num, 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 num. So now we can get more into the technical side. And technically, while you can do this in the most free-flowing way possible and just have joy and fun, if you really want to start taking your Tai Chi to a strong and structured place, you're going to allow yourself to drop your pubis bone down, lift it up, structure it as if it's pulling strings on the heels. Drop your sternum, lift it up as if it's being pulled from the sky. Lift up the shoulders, scrape the ceiling or sky, and tuck the shoulder blades in the back pocket. Imaginary string will lift you from the top of the head, lifting the occiput as well away from the heels. All this is your good posture. And then from here, you're going to allow yourself to relax internally. And that relaxation should feel like honey just melting down a guitar string. This is going to help you do the form with that much more control and structure and balance, and develop that balance and bring it through your whole day. So we're going to do this with our mouth closed and the tongue on the ceiling of the mouth so that we can really focus on maintaining the structure and allowing our movement to come from our breath work. We're going to visualize the breath as a color, whatever intuitively comes to you, and it's going to go into the belly. The lower dantian, the second chakra, about 3 finger lengths or 2 inches below the belly button. We're going to inhale there. It's going to be like a sun getting super bright, like a star. So you're going to inhale, big, 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 watermelon. Exhale, push the color from the belly down the arms, washing the awareness through the color visualization. You're going to inhale, pulling the color into the belly, and exhale, washing the color out as you chop that watermelon in half. You're going to inhale, draw the color in, turning the palms, protecting the head, stepping out 45 degrees, and exhale, wash that color out. Inhale like you're holding a tray of food, drawing the color in, Turning, the hands cover up again. Stepping out 45 degrees and exhale, washing that color out again. Notice that my foot pivots a bit on the heel just to allow myself the full flexibility. Inhale, drawing the color back into the belly, and I exhale about halfway. Inhale, spin the fingers out, drawing the shape of the fruit again, the watermelon, or my son likes to do a pineapple, and exhale, pressing down. And if you'd like, you can also go into a little stretch afterward, going down, inhaling up, exhaling, going down, inhaling up, like you're drawing the light up and then washing the light down the legs, inhaling up, over the head, exhale, washing it down behind you. And that's your Tai Chi Poem plus a little bit of a stretch. So let's go for it again. And remember, you can do the Tai Chi Poem in either direction. And it's really fun to just switch it up. I like to keep one person in one direction, and the other person in the other direction, just to help my mind. So we're gonna go for it again. You have a big watermelon. Sink, feel the structure. You cut it in half. You give half to her. She doesn't want any, which is fine. So you give half to him. But he doesn't want any. So, eat it all by yourself. Nom, 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 nom. And we go in the other direction with the proper posture. Again, all the structure there. Inhaling up, draw the color to the belly. Exhale, washing down. Inhale. Exhale, chopping out. Inhale deep, stepping out 45 degrees, offering it to him, but he doesn't want any. Bring the breath back in, the foot back in, step out 90 degrees, offering it to her, but she doesn't want any. So you place it on a table, and big breath up, you eat it all by yourself. Nom, 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 nom. There are many different variations of this as well, and you can start to use sound to wash through the body if you'd like as well. So the whole concept here is you start to add sound to it, is you start to visualize the sound like brushing the body, brushing the bone marrow. And this is a fun little technique to help you with breath control and with your voice and with structure in the body. So let's try it once using the sound ah to clean the bone marrow. It's as if the sound is scraping away anything you don't want in the body. So we're gonna do it this way. Inhale up and ah, 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 ah. And if you want to get really sophisticated with it, you can do a 4-pointed Om, which is inhale deep, inhale the A, exhale the U, push out the M into the chest, and A-U-M. So you can structure it that way as well. We're gonna try that. Inhaling up, 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 and you push out the U. Inhale the A, push out the U. So notice the M is quiet like a plane landing in the heart. Inhale deep. Silence, no breath here. Inhaling and push out the U. Silence. Inhale the A. Push out the U. Om. Silence. Inhale the A. Big, big A. Push out the U. Om. The M landing in the heart. And complete silence, no breath. Hold the breath. And just feel full. This is a wonderful thing to be able to share, and obviously you can level up the experience as you go. You can just do it for fun with the fruit structure. You can do it with the breath visualization and the structure of the body. You can do it with the A just to kind of clean the body, and you can do it with the more Om-like meditation to help structure the four-pointed breath work of the proper Om. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm Coach Jan again, and love you. Have a great day.